matrix obtained by interchanging the rows and columns. For example, if A is equal to matrix 2 3 1 4, then transpose of this matrix is denoted by A dash or A transpose, that is equal to interchange rows into columns and columns into rows. So 2 3 1 4. No doubt, is for square matrix this is only definable, and order of matrix is not changed. The relative positions of elements only change. The element who were in rows now appear in columns. So this is a very easier concept, transpose of a matrix. Some properties of transpose we would like to understand. What do you think? Properties transpose of the transpose of a matrix should be equal to A. I hope this is well understood. If we convert the rows and columns of one matrix and again we will convert, we will reach to the same position. So transpose of a transpose of a matrix is again the same matrix. A plus B or minus transpose is equal to A dash plus or minus B dash. This is the addition subtraction rule of transpose. Suppose lambda multiplied by A, transpose is there, then lambda is common, transpose is only for A dash, because here lambda is multiplied in every element of A, here lambda will be multiplied with every element of A dash. So result will be the same. Number 4, the very important property AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. This law is called reversal law. क्या कहलाता है? रिवर्सल लॉ. तो ध्यान से देखिए इन चारों नियमों को. रिवर्सल लॉ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसको ऐसे ध्यान से समझ लें कि अगर suppose this matrix is 2 by 3 and this matrix is 3 by 1, their result will be what? 2 by 1, and 2 by 1 transpose will be 1 by 2. Here B dash will be 1 by 3, A dash will be 3 by 2, 3 3 matched, 1 into 2. So these two results will be the same. अगर हम इसको A डैश B डैश लिखेंगे तो ऑर्डर के आधार पे हम देख लें. A डैश का ऑर्डर होगा 3 by 2, B डैश का ऑर्डर होगा 1 by 3. So this product will not be defined. So reversal law is very important. Always remember, product transpose of the product will be equal to product of their transposes but in reverse order. ये ऑर्डर को चेंज करना यहाँ पर बहुत जरूरी है. ट्रांसपोज के लिए ये ध्यान देंगे कि जो स्पेसिफिक डेफिनेशंस हम लोग आगे ट्रांसपोज से रिलेटेड पढ़ने जाएंगे, उसमें हमें स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स चाहिए. बाकी ट्रांसपोज हम किसी भी मैट्रिक्स का कर सकते हैं. सपोज दिस इज 1 by 2, this is 2 by 1, order 2 by 1. A transpose will be 1 by 2, that is 1 and 2, that is 1 by 2. So transpose is defined for every matrix, but in certain cases when we speak about square matrices, then some specific results will be coming to us. Let us see. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. सिमेट्रिक मीन्स सममित और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक यानी विषम सममित. Hindi names I usually give for enrichment of your Hindi vocabulary. सममित या सिमेट्रिक शब्द से हम लोग क्या समझते हैं? हमने देखा है कि कोई जैसे ये लेटर है M, दिस लेटर इज सिमेट्रिक अराउंड दिस लाइन. सिमेट्रिक होने का मतलब ये हुआ कि चाहे आप लेफ्ट से देखें चाहे राइट से देखें या इसको डॉटेड लाइन पे फोल्ड कर दें तो हूबहू मैचिंग हो जाएगी. हम बोलेंगे लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है. तो अगर इसका मतलब ये होगा कि ट्रांसपोज की केस में सिमेट्रिक वर्ड का मतलब होगा कि अगर हम किसी मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज करें और ट्रांसपोज करने से मैट्रिक्स वही दिखे, मतलब ट्रांसपोज में देखें तो भी वही मैट्रिक्स दिखे और दो गिवन मैट्रिक्स है तो हम बोलेंगे वो सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है. तो आ स्क्वायर, दिस इज पॉसिबल फॉर ओनली स्क्वायर मैट्रिसेस. आ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स A इज said to be a symmetric matrix if and only if A dash is equal to A. For example, suppose A equal to 1 3 5 1 3 5 3 4 7 3 4 7 5 7 8 5 7 8. Then A dash is equal to this first row I am writing here, this second row I am writing second column, third row I am writing third column. Again you see result is the same. So this square matrix is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix बनाने का तरीका भी शायद आप लोग समझ गए होंगे. मैंने यहाँ 1 लिखा, put 1 3 5. These two members should be put here 3 5. Again I completed 3 4 7, then horizontally also 3 4 7 and put here any member. You will get a symmetric matrix. This is very simple. Now let us come to skew symmetry. When the matrix will be set skew, a square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if and only if A transpose is equal to minus. Transpose of the matrix should be negative times of this matrix. For example, let us consider A is equal to suppose 2 minus 0 minus 1 2 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 4 again here 0. Find out the transpose of this matrix. First row 0 minus 1 2 make it first column. Okay. Second row make it second column. Third row make it third column. Now you can see here it is minus 1, here is 1. So if I take minus sign common or minus 1 common, so here it will be 0 minus 1 2, here it will be 1 0 minus 4, here minus 2 4 0. Now you can see that this matrix is equal to minus A. So A dash equal to minus A, hence matrix A is skew symmetric. So symmetric matrices and skew symmetric matrices, these two matrices are very important in the field of transpose, and large number of questions in CBSE are being asked on this topic. An important theorem is there. Every square matrix A can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric मैट्रिक्स यूनिकली, मतलब वो एक बार जो बनेगा एक्सप्रेशन, that will be unique expression. Let us prove this theorem. Let capital A be a square matrix of order n, then we have A is equal to, can I write it as half A plus half A, that is A. Again I will write it half A plus half A transpose plus half A minus half A transpose. Now this can be written as half common A plus A transpose plus half common A minus A transpose. Call it P plus Q. So where P is what? Half A plus A dash, and Q is what? Half A minus A dash. Now we have expressed this matrix as a sum of two different matrices, but we don't know whether what is the nature of P and Q, whether symmetric or skew symmetric. So that we have to check here. Now see, now P transpose we are finding, so that will be half A plus A dash transpose. This is lambda times some matrix, lambda is out of matrix, and you will get A plus A dash transpose. Now this is the transpose of sum of two matrices, and in property we have seen it will be A dash plus A dash dash. Now again we have studied that A dash transpose of the matrix is again matrix, so this will become half, and by commutative property you can again write it half A plus A, and this matrix is P. What do we conclude? We conclude that therefore P equal to half A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. This matrix is symmetric. Let us see about the matrix Q. So let's see what happens when we take Q. Q is equal to half A minus A transpose. Therefore Q dash will be equal to half A minus A transpose. That is half is out of transpose sign, A minus A dash transpose. This will be equal to A transpose minus A dash transpose. This will be equal to half A dash minus A. Now minus sign, if I will take common, it will become A minus A dash. So we can easily see that this is minus Q. So Q dash is equal to minus Q. This implies that Q is equal to half A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So half A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. So this is now clear. Therefore A equal to P plus Q, where P equal to half A plus A dash is symmetric, and Q is equal to half A minus A dash is skew symmetric. In this way it is proved that every square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix uniquely. Here this word uniquely needs to be verified and proved again. So let us see whether this representation is unique or not. So one thing we have seen that every square matrix can be expressed uniquely as A is equal to P plus Q, where P equal to half A plus A dash is symmetric and Q is equal to half A minus A dash is Q symmetric. Suppose if possible that there exist two matrices R and S other than P and Q such that A is equal to R plus S. Call it number 2, where R is symmetric and S is skew symmetric. ऐसा हमारा अजम्पशन है. पहले हम निकाल चुके हैं मैथमेटिकली कि A बराबर P प्लस Q यदि होगा तो उसमें P क्या होगा और Q क्या होगा. हमने मान लो कि ये R और S कोई दो नई मैट्रिक्स है और ये रिप्रेजेंटेशन यूनिक नहीं है, ऐसा हम मान के चल रहे हैं. और हमने ये मान लिया कि दो और ऐसी मैट्रिक्स का एग्जिस्टेंस है कि A में A को R प्लस S के रूप में लिखा जा सकता है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी विल शो द यूनिकनेस. Number 2 implies A transpose is equal to R plus S transpose. Okay, this can be written as R transpose plus S transpose. R is symmetric, so R dash is R. S is skew symmetric, so S dash is minus S. This is called call it equation number 3. Now A is equal to R plus S and A dash equal to R minus S. Second plus third, if we will do, it will give us A plus A dash is equal to 2R, implies R is equal to half A plus A dash. Where did you reach? This is P. This is P. Second minus third will give you what? A minus A dash is equal to R cancelled, minus S will become plus S plus S 2S. This implies S is equal to half A minus A dash. What did you get? This is Q. Therefore, R is equal to P, S is equal to Q, implies A is equal to P plus Q is unique representation. आप दो अलग अलग मान के भी चलें तो उनकी भी वैल्यू यही आएगी, यही यूनिकनेस को प्रूव करता है. सो इट मीन्स now this is confirmed that every square matrix can be expressed as a sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So let us, dear students, let us see this question. Solution. Let A is equal to 3 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 4 minus 5 2. Here we shall quote, we know that whatever statement we studied just before this, every square matrix can be expressed as a sum of two matrix. One of them is symmetric and other is skew symmetric, as A is equal to half A plus A dash and half A minus A dash. Here A dash is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 1 2. Just rows and columns have to be interchanged. Therefore A plus A dash is equal to what? 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus minus 2 1, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, minus 2 plus 3 1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 1 and minus 5 minus 4, minus 4 and minus 1 minus 5, minus 5 and 1 minus 4. This is last 2 plus 2 is 4. So P is equal to half A plus A dash, that is we get half 6 1 minus 5, 1 minus 4 minus 4, minus 5 minus 4 4. This is number 1. देख लीजिए ये सिमेट्रिक है, 6 1 -5 6 1 -5 1 -4 -4 1 -4 -4 -5 -4 4 -5 -4 4. This is symmetric matrix. Again, let us find a minus a dash. A minus a dash will be what? 3 minus 3 is 0. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 minus 4 minus 1 is minus 3. 3 minus 2 5 minus 2 minus 2 0 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 4 is plus 3. 1 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 2 is again 0. So therefore Q, here I will write, and Q is equal to half A minus A dash. This is equal to half 0 5 3 minus 5 0 6 minus 3 minus 6 0. This is number 2. Both matrices you have observed. Here P is symmetric matrix and Q is skew symmetric matrix. So finally we shall write thus A is equal to half 6 1 minus 5 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 4 plus half 0 5 3 minus 5 0 6 minus 3 minus 6 0. यहां पर आप लोग इंडिकेट करते हैं दिस इज सिमेट्रिक एंड दिस इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. लिखेंगे विच इज द required expression. So dear students, have you seen how easy this question is, and very quickly you can earn 4 marks in CBSE examination. So what I suggest you dear students, now try to do all exercises based on transpose of a matrix, and then you will find that you are gradually proceeding with the syllabus. In next video lesson we will proceed further. I hope you learned this lesson properly, and when you will start practicing you will find that you are doing well. Thank you very much.